So assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So for today's video, mag-interview tayo for the human development, which is the physical, cognitive, and emotional changes. So what are you waiting for? So let's go!
School.
Now we have here the first interview. Now, sir, what is your name?
Rajay Sultan.
And can I ask you something? What is the importance of education to your the children?
Pemrano?
Ito po.
Kailangan so kuan to education ko wata para kuan ketaguan sa katawa gu kuan sabut sa kuan para di nila pakalayan na ketaguan sa kanan sa sabut tagu kuan di kibagat ko knowledge sa kuan pagbigaya ko ano to.
The second question is, how can you support the children to how to communicate or to paano ma-develop ang socio-emotional ng mga bata?
Sa parents na kailangan na so sa kaloks na ipamang dongon tunay para mapiar kanyan ka sa para atawan yan tunay suwano wata no to miki mulay ukas kanya kung mga padiyan ako mga kaginawa niya na mga wata mamupa ito yung paso ayan.
Now we have here the second interview that about the middle childhood. That tell you your name, and ano yung nagbago sa ano ang halaga ng pag-aaral sa iyo? Ilang
You can learn, write, read, and even. But the best answer is knowledge.
yes.
Knowledge is the success of the future. And
Adolescence.
So now this is the third interview. She's still adolescence. So what is your name?
I am Asnia Ainasruding.
So thank you. So this is the first question. So what physical changes occur during adolescence?
Ang na-observe ko sa pagiging adolescence ko ay is yung paghahaba ng buhok ko ng mabilis, tsaka mabilis rin akong tumatangkad, at tsaka nagiging moody rin ako because of every time na may menstruation ako ganun. At tsaka yung nagiging sensitive na yung face ko.
Thank you. So this is the last one question. So what are the typical emotional challenges faced by teenager or teenagers?
The first one is the financial problem because I feel na parang responsibility ko na as a teenager na maging independent, and also that na yung academic talaga yung pinakasikan.
So thank you.
Early adulthood.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. So today I will be interviewing one of my beautiful professor. She is still in early adulthood. So before anything else, can you tell me about yourself?
So, Assalamualaikum and good morning. So, my name is Roberta Ismayati. Currently, a faculty member of the MSc Academia. I am currently teaching the subjects of understanding the South and other subjects which covers in senior high school. And further, I am, with regards to my age, I am turning 25 years old, and I am a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English from Mindanao State University, Marawi City, and now I am currently pursuing my second degree at the same university.
Thank you, ma'am. So, now my first question. Should you further your education to a graduate school or professional certification?
Yes, it is needed that I should further enhance my education or professional certification because, as I mentioned earlier, I am currently taking my second degree. It is a must for us to enroll in such education or further education for us to be able to enrich or enhance our knowledge. At the same time, it helps us to grow professionally. And further, because it is must for us to enhance our skills and knowledge, that will help us also to impart to our students. For example, we are learning from that further education that we can apply or we can teach towards our students. That's why it is a must for us or for other professional people to enrich or to further their education.
So, thank you. So the second one is, how can you maintain healthy relationship with your family and friends?
Okay, so with regards to that question, how can I maintain my healthy relationship with my family and friends? So I maintain my healthy relationship with my family and friends through showing and maintaining understanding, caring and loving towards my family and friends, because those are the fundamental aspects that can help us to maintain the healthy relationship among us. So, in addition also, I maintain my healthy relationship with them through sharing my ups and downs with them because they can help me to build up myself. At the same time, it is vice versa that I help them to build up also their selves. And we are not keeping secrets from ourselves. That's why we share everything that can help us to maintain healthy relationship.
So, thank you very much, ma'am.
Middle adulthood.
Now, we have here the fifth interview. Before that, ngaran ka Bapakulay.
Saka naman to na ngaran lang na si Hamdani bin Abdul Ghaffur bin Makarampat.
Na gipaga na question na kano sa giya kya pa kya kwat kakalok sa natunay mga awida mga kap handle ka or kap kaharap ka kung mga awida ka o mga crisis ka sa giya age ka.
Ilan lagi di mi ako man sa Widakan kasi ko kahit o kawiyagan crisis na mga pantag na nansi ko kapkada o mga economy katano mga kumpanya lagi do taribasok o miada so panguran way kadua na lagi do mga sigo mga gilupa di sila mga pumulan sa mga kamay mga ilaw na isotop kasabapan sa kapakay to o crisis kapkada o kawiyagan. Ay pinakamalap ka daw kawiyagan na hiram mo sa tibaw Allah, tiba niya sa mga manusia na isa itiba yan na di na crisis. Kapakala o kawiyagan ng manisa sa mga manusia na sa mga manusia na balingan silang si ko Allah, makambalingan silang si ko Allah na pakalaso ikanamitan mo. Manya na lagi day man to, isa titiuban tan ng Allah Ta'ala, adi paguran, miya kay takso crisis, miya pakala sa crisis. Ikadua, na ilaban namin bagyo, na pakalap man so crisis. Ikatulog man, nagilap man na so, malap man na pakaw mga widakal ka, lagi do, o miya mag-iskula sa mga wataka, bimili opening at saka na may tukoy income na mga crisis. Kaya nagilay na namin sugat ka mga awidakan, mga kakasakit, mga barang-barang din. Nagira may to so income mo tao na pakawida kalian ko pakapantag si wakawiyagan. Sa tanabot naman na, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Late adulthood.
The last interview, so he is already late adulthood. So before we start, so can you tell me about your name?
Sa akin si Haji Jamil Manguda. Agil bukan napadagang ako sa footwear, sapatos.
Oh, na.
Okay.
Salamat to Nagyo. So bagay na question. So bapa ko na sagi kaya locks ka na panon kap ka maintain up ka control ka sa mga emotional or giya kaya locks ka giya kang bubulawasan ka.
Pagka meron na si konsultan ng Islam, Muslim, na akapro na kumukar na nga, apakapya ginaw nga, da problema nga, na sa eko, kabubalo nga ang Muslim, absindoan nga sa Allah. Pero tayo nga, di na mapanggululain ang tabo sa idin na kabaya, wala. Pero nagsumukar na nga, da problema nga, da widakala.
Na giya mana sa giya ka lawas ka giya kap ko ginakya locks ka na panon kas kanyan ka maintain ka kasi na gi sa madakalap ka kasi mata mga locks na di ko kagaganggalabak na panon ska giya lagi da kya pa locks ka na giya ana sarili nga tindang na sa giya edad ka ba
Pagka meron na, kaya maintain na inisabap wala, tadi ta permanente sa exercise. Umamintin nga ito exercise kung umanggawi na pagkapeso ka bubulawasan ka. Napaka-kontento ka kung gilabak ka datara kandagang na mapadi ako exercise nakapakapi alawas ka. Ito na pala yung pag-isip.
Rahmatullahi. Before that, can you tell me about yourself? Kuya. So, ito na yung ngaran ka. So, that's all.
Still pa rin. She's still in adolescence. So, before anything else, can you...
Kaya nga?
Gagdam ka, like ito stress, anxiety, mga ganun na gagdam ka. Depression,
Yung mga... tama yun. Ano yung mga kinakaharap ng mga problema or like emotional problem, ganun.
Talagang financial problem. Ipinakapanak. Sagi kapag
Or minsan abot